Hello everyone, so I'm going to use this video to explain the current Bitcoin price action. So I'm going to be explaining what is going to happen to Bitcoin in like the next 24 to 48 hours, and also at the same time I'm also going to use this opportunity to teach you some things. First of all, this 4 hours time frame, then secondly, I'm going to make sure I have enough candles to analyze, and this is it. I have enough candles to analyze, at least from over 100 and over 100 candles to analyze, 100 to 200 candles. That's what you need on your chart to analyze. So next, I'm going to look for the current chart pattern that BTC is respecting right now. So my attention is going to be on this area over here, on this area. So I'm going to focus on this area and try to figure out a chart pattern. So that's the first step. The first step is identify your time frame. Next, you make sure you have above 100 candles on your chart. Then you figure out the current chart pattern. So I'm going to draw from this top down. So normally I can simply leave it like this. But I'll do it like this. So So this area over here, this little place that I'm going to highlight, is a false breakout. So Bitcoin try to break out from this okay, then the bottom chart pattern, you can see you have a zone here, you have a zone here, you have here, and you have another one forming over here. So what you do, you go from the middle down to this place, then you place it at the current one, and make sure that everything is quite in place. You can decide to drag this one down to form the triangle completely. So what chart pattern is this? So this a falling wedge. It's a falling wedge. So this is a falling wedge, which is in normal technical analysis is bullish. A falling wedge is a bullish chart pattern. So now let me analyze what is happening inside this falling wedge. You have the price of Bitcoin moved up to this place, came back to here and formed a zone over here. Then it went back up to here, and that place becomes current resistance. Then it pushed back a little, retested, and came back to retest to this zone. So now this zone becomes a support, because it respected this area over here and bounced off. Then Bitcoin moves up a while and broke out. So this is where you get a market manipulation. Many traders, they would say that okay, Bitcoin has broken out, but the next thing you got is a first breakdown back into the channel. So immediately you have this first breakdown, you should have left the market already. So you have a first breakdown back into the channel, and the market came back to support. So we have a bottom here, double bottom, and triple bottom over here. So this is a triple bottom chart pattern in a falling wedge, which is also usually which is also a bullish chart pattern. So what you expect to happen here, you expect two things to happen. Either Bitcoin breaks out towards this side, or it breaks down, it continues down. So when it breaks out or breaks down, how are you going to know like how far the market is going to move in that direction of breakout? So that's when you apply a technique, price projection technique. So what is price projection technique? Price projection technique is when you measure a side of when you measure a particular section of a chart pattern and project it towards the breakout direction to get the direction of breakout. So to do that, you use a price range over here, price range tool over here, and you measure here. You can see from here, you measure down to this place. So that's like 9%. That's 9, let's say 9%. So if Bitcoin should break out towards this side, once Bitcoin move and break out from here, it will pump 9% up. It will pump 9% up. Then you align that place using your horizontal line. Then you are also going to do it at the base too, that if Bitcoin should break down, it's also going to drop 9% down. 9% down. 9% down. So that's it. So what you are expecting now to happen is that once Bitcoin should break out towards this side and retest successfully, because over here it did not retest successfully, it broke back into the channel. But if it should retest successfully and bounce from there like this, if it should retest and bounce from here, then Bitcoin is going to move towards the price over here, which is around 36,500, 36,000 to 36,500. So that's the first scenario of what is going to happen on Bitcoin. Then the second one, if it should break down from here, like we use if it should break down, like after this first breakdown over here, and it breaks down and it retests without going back into the channel, Bitcoin is going to fall back over 9% towards the downside, and that's towards 39,000. So that's it about the current price action of Bitcoin. I hope with this video I've been able to explain one or two things and make you also at the same time give you an idea of what might happen, what is going to happen to Bitcoin in the next few hours. Let's say in the next 5 days, maximum 5 days, or over the weekend, Bitcoin should break out from this triangle, and it's going to break towards the upside or downside, and each of the side that it breaks out from, Bitcoin is going to pump in that direction over 9 to 10%. So that's it.